The Portland Trail Blazers have won 9 straight games at home, but tonight the task gets a little tougher. The defending Western Conference champions in town. That means Kevin Durant taking on the rookie. Damian Lillard has been a star thus far. First quarter, it's LaMarcus Aldridge working his way to the basket, takes the contact, gets the bucket to go anyhow. He was 15 of 26 from the field, but OKC already up 18-17. Kevin Durant driving to the basket, throwing that one down, 12 of 21 from the field for KD, 28-25, Thunder in front. Later in the second quarter, that's Nick Collison with the reverse layup off the nice dish from Russell Westbrook. OKC up by 6. Then Aldridge hitting the jumper. He scored 33 points in the game to lead the Blazers. Wes Matthews finds Nicholas Batum for the three-pointer. He was 3 of 8 from distance. Portland led it by a single at the half, 43-42. In the second half, Russell Westbrook working on the kid and gets to the basket, but it was a tough night shooting for Westbrook. 5 of 21 from the field. Kevin Durant pull-up 3 as the shot clock winds down. That capped the 9-2 run for the Thunder. Then now the third quarter clock winding down. Kevin Durant doesn't care at all. Buries the jump shot there, and Oklahoma City up by 9. In the fourth quarter, more of the same. What a terrific move by Durant. He had 33 points, just like LaMarcus Aldridge. OKC up by 9. When a defender falls down, Nicholas Batum there to take advantage. 21 points in the game, gets the jam there, and OKC's lead is at 5. Russell Westbrook on the wing for 3. He scores when they need it. 18 points and 9 assists. The Thunder up by 10, less than 30 seconds to go. Turnover by Kevin Durant, and Portland goes the other way. Nicholas Batum with a 3. That cuts the lead down to 1. Portland is in this thing. The Thunder inbound the ball and turn it over right about here, but Nicholas Batum, he can't do anything with it. Watch Batum drive in. Kendrick Perkins gets a little piece of it, gets the rebound, and is fouled. So Kendrick Perkins helping out the Thunder's cause on that little stand. After Perkins makes 1 of 2 from the line, this is LaMarcus Aldridge for the tie, and he gets nothing but air. The Thunder get the rebound. Westbrook will go on to hit 2 free throws from there, and the Thunder win it by 4. Final score, 87-83.